Thank you, and I do it this way. First of all, great event, Startup Day, and I'm feeling a little bit like coming home because I built up a startup, and now it's the third startup I'm in. So I would say my motivation is in my DNA. I have a kind of a startup DNA, but I'm now not running a business. I'm now running a startup ministry. That means for 5 months, I'm now Ministry of Strategy and Development in Hesse. We are bundling all the digitalization activities in our country, and we have a lot. Because I don't know whether you know it, but we are the Center of Innovation and Tech in Cybersecurity. And this is one on the Cyber Week you have to know. We in Hessen are the cybersecurity area because we have a lot of science and economy there in the cybersecurity area, and we want to combine this in the future, and how to combine it in cooperation and innovation. Therefore, we are here with a group of 30 delegations. We are on an explorative trip, and we want to look how we can move forward in our partnership of cybersecurity. And as we are a region which is very innovative, even in this area, we today want to present you an innovative award. I want to announce it today. It's called the Cyber Lion Award. And the lion is a symbol of Hessen. So therefore, it's a Cyber Lion Award. And me as the Ministry of Digitalization want to announce this together with our partner, whom we work together because they are very excellent in cybersecurity. And this is Professor Michael Weidner, who represents the Fraunhofer Institute based in the region. And together, the ministry and this Fraunhofer Institute, we say we need to do something new. We have to have an innovation. That is a Cyber Lion Award. And Michael, maybe you introduce what's behind.
Thanks a lot. So actually, you should not leave because you might miss an opportunity to get into the market in Germany. So in Darmstadt, we are doing a lot of bringing together the German and the Israeli mentalities and startup cultures and things like this. For instance, we are just this year running the Hessian-Israeli Partnership Accelerator, which will be soon called the German-Israeli Partnership Accelerator. And we decided to have this award Kristina just mentioned. You should check actually the website digitalhub-cybersecurity.com for details. We will announce this later this year in more detail. The deadline for submissions will be beginning of next year, and then at Cyber Week of 2020, we will actually then select and present the probably 3 winners. What you will get from this award is you will have the opportunity to visit Darmstadt. We will invite you. We will offer you some unique tools and things to get into the European market. It's about personalized, individualized coaching and things like this, and market access to the German government, the European government, and many other opportunities. I think it's very worthwhile. And again, the idea is you might benefit from the German-European market. It's the biggest market in Earth, as far as I know, the European market. And we hope that actually the German startups benefit from your mentality, which is actually quite different from the mentality that German startups have.
And at the end of the day, we want to get alive our partnership on the cybersecurity, and therefore I hope you will apply for this award, and we will see us next year on the Cyber Week, and we have the winner of the Cyber Lion Award. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Wow. That's amazing. Thank you for coming with such a delegation. I think it's really heartwarming to see the effort you're doing in this partnership, and really hope to see a lot of fruitful collaborations. So we're to conclude the day. I think we had a ride today. What a ride. Starting the Cyber Week, you'll have a full week of events here at Tel Aviv University. You'll be able to see both on the main stage and in many side events, a lot of the aspects of Israeli cyber industry and cyber innovation. You'll be able to see the innovation, the startups, a lot of the big companies that operate in Israel, a lot about the regulatory and policy-making discussion. Today we wanted to focus more about startups. And as the journey progressed in this day, we started from talking about what are the kind of like sources that feed this innovation, from governmental authority like the Israel Innovation Authority, the academia and the transfer of technologies, understanding the ecosystem of investments. We had the privilege of listening to venture capitalists and understand the insights they have about cyber startups, and primarily as we are growing the industry. We were listening to the clients and their perspective on innovation and what kind of products they need or how to address them. And we're trying to understand what is probably the future of kind of like landscape, technology landscape, which will inform cyber innovation. So I think this day was trying to inform us about what is the toolkit that the cyber entrepreneur should take, hopefully to emerge and incubate more startups here and keep actually Israeli as the cyber nation. Thank you very much for coming. Hope to see you all tomorrow at the main stage, continuing the Cyber Week. Thank you very much.